Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Chai. So for today's video, we'll be having a DIY boots. It's been a long time since I last uploaded a DIY transformation, and since there is a celebration in our school, which is the Father's Day celebration, and the theme is Cowboy, I realized that it's time already to upload again. I have here the pair of shoes that I use for the boots and the finished product of the boots. So this is an old skirt that it's been a long time since I last used it, and the fabric is just perfect for the cowboy boots. So you're just going to wear it like this. It's a slip-on. So after using the boots and you want to still use the shoes for other occasion, so you can still use it. So without further ado, let's start. The materials that we're going to use are an old skirt, any size of garter, 2 pieces normal zipper, same color with the skirt, ruler, pencil, scissor, tape measure, chalk, seam ripper, pins, shoes, same color with the skirt, and a paper. Let's start by disassembling the skirt, removing the zipper and also the seams. Remove also the lining of the skirt. I divided the skirt into two. After disassembling the skirt and the lining, let's start with the layout of the boots. Make sure to lay out all the necessary details for the boots to be perfectly fit. After getting all the necessary measurements, let's make a pattern to the fabric. Don't forget to put some allowance for the seams. After finishing the pattern, secure the fabric using pins. This will make sure that the fabric will not move while you are cutting it. After cutting the fabric, turn the fabric on its wrong side and make a straight stitch. After sewing the seams of the fabric, I try to fit it, and I find it a little bit too loose for my legs, so I will make some necessary adjustment to make it more fit. After doing the necessary adjustments, cut the excess fabric. As I make sure that the fabric is already fit, I trace it to another fabric to make a pair of boots. Follow the same steps. Secure the fabric using pins before sewing the seams, and after that, remove the excess fabric. To make sure that the collar area of the boots will not go down while I'm wearing it, I will put some garter to make it more fit and tighter. The measurement of the collar of the boots is 13 inches, while I put 11 inches garter. Now, using the 12-inch normal zipper, sew it at the back of the boots. Secure the zipper using pins to make sure that it will not move while you are sewing it. I also use a special presser footer for this zipper. Repeat the process at the other side of the zipper. After sewing the seams at the back side of the boots as well as the zipper, next, sew the seams at the collar area of the boots. After finishing the first side of the boots, repeat the same process for the other side of the boots. This is the result after sewing the other side of the boots. During the last minute, I decided to put some buttons. Using the excess fabric, I also add some more details. And here is the finished product of the boots.